National Weather Service, station KWN 34.
Engine 5, Trauma 5, respond to 4.
That's unbelievable. Marcus Peters comes up with the fumble recovery with his
dangerous storm will be near.
Strong winds and rough waves on area lakes will create hazardous conditions for small craft. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Also, boaters on area lakes should use extra caution since strong winds and rough waves can overturn small craft.
Has issued a tornado warning for
This is a special weather
Angelina
statement.
County in eastern Texas.
Strong thunderstorms will impact southern Panola,
in eastern
southeastern Rusk,
southwestern
Nacogdoches,
Sabine County in
western
eastern
Shelby,
Texas,
northwestern Angelina, and northwestern St. Augustine counties through 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time.
A
At
severe
3:03
thunderstorm
p.m.
capable
Central
of
Standard
producing a
Time.
tornado was
Doppler
located
radar was
7 miles
tracking strong
northeast of
thunderstorms
Chester,
along the
moving
line
northeast
extending
at
from
60
6
miles
miles
per hour.
northeast of Troy through near Hudson.
Hazard, tornado.
Movement was northeast
Source,
at 85
radar
miles per
indicated
hour.
rotation.
Hazard,
Impact.
wind gusts
Flying
up to
debris will
50
be
miles
dangerous
per
for those
hour and
caught
have
without
intel.
shelter.
Source,
Mobile homes will be
radar
damaged or
indicated.
destroyed.
Impact.
Damage to
Gusty
roofs,
winds could knock
windows,
down tree limbs
and
and blow
vehicles will
around
occur.
unsecured objects.
Tree damage is
Minor hail
likely.
damage to vegetation
This
is
tornadic
possible.
thunderstorm will remain
Locations
over mainly
impacted
rural
include
areas of
Lufkin,
southeastern Angelina,
Nacogdoches,
southeastern
Spencer,
San
Hudson,
Augustine, and
Kinross,
southwestern
Simpson,
Sabine counties,
Garrison,
including
Joaquin,
the following
Melrose,
locations:
Martinsville, Woden,
Take
Toyle,
cover now.
Appleby, Chirano,
Move to a
Gary
basement
City,
or an interior
Central,
room on the
Stockton,
lowest floor of a
Central,
sturdy
Redmond,
building.
and Dotson.
Avoid windows.
If outdoors,
If you
consider
are
seeking
outdoors,
shelter
in a
inside
mobile
a building.
home, or in a vehicle,
You are
move to the
listening to your
closest
weather radio.
substantial shelter and
Station
protect yourself from flying
WXG-97,
debris.
broadcasting in
Repeating,
Freeport
a
on
tornado warning has been issued
162.4
until
megahertz.
3:45 p.m. Central
Be sure to
Standard
follow
Time
us
for the
on
following
Facebook.
counties in Texas:
Here's a look at
Angelina,
local weather
Sabine, and St.
conditions as of
Augustine.
3 p.m. At the top of the hour, heavy rain and fog were reported in Shreveport. The temperature... Sabine County in eastern Texas until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time.
So much. Her breath doesn't be on. I do try. Do for their dog? There is what ends up maybe be. And then you got like Cam Jordan out of.
Pilen, Rosevine, Florian, Fisher, Sexton, Bronson, McElroy, Magritte, Yellow Pine, Toledo Bend Reservoir North, Columbus, and Chinquapin. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an
No one's relying this because it's only for Sabine Parish. Tornado possible.
Storm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Texas: Sabine, St. Augustine, and Shelby, and Sabine, Louisiana. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe
Wow.
thunderstorm warning for central Sabine County and northwestern Louisiana.
I'm glad I was able to catch a warning before all the storms passed.
County in eastern Texas, Sabine County in eastern Texas.
Everyone went off, including you. The BC 370 exempts from this because it was monitoring a radio station that loves to relay literally everything, but only for like 3 parishes, so yeah. Things getting a bit dusty there.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Miller, Vanny, Villali, Hemphill, Pilen, Rosevine, Florian, Fisher, Sexton, Bronson, McElroy, Magritte, Yellow Pine, Toledo Bend Reservoir North, Columbus, and Chinquapin. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Nice.
Tornado watch number 1 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Texas: Jasper, Polk, and Tyler. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Angelina County in eastern
The
Texas.
National Weather Service in
Southeastern San
Shreveport has
Augustine
issued a
County in
severe
eastern
thunderstorm
Texas.
warning for
Southwestern
Central
Sabine County in eastern
northwestern
Texas
Louisiana,
until 3:45
southeastern
p.m.
Shelby
Central
County in
Standard
eastern
Time.
Texas, southeastern
At
San
3:19
Augustine
p.m.
County
Central
in
Standard
eastern
Time.
Texas,
A severe
Sabine County in
thunderstorm
eastern
capable of
Texas,
producing a
until
tornado was
4:30
located
p.m.
7
Central
miles
Standard Time.
northeast of Chester,
At
moving northeast at
3:43
50
p.m.
miles
Central
per hour.
Standard Time, a severe
Hazard,
thunderstorm
tornado.
was located 10 miles
Source,
west of Pilot,
radar
or
indicated
13 miles
location.
north of Ebenezer,
Impact.
moving
Flying
northeast at
debris will
60
be
miles
dangerous
per
to those
hour.
caught without shelter.
Hazard, 60
Mobile
miles
homes
per
will be
hour in
damaged
gusts
or
and
destroyed.
penny-sized hail.
Damage to
Source,
roofs,
radar
windows,
indicated.
and vehicles will occur.
Impact, expect
Tree
damage
damage
to
is
roofs,
likely.
siding, and trees.
This tornadic thunderstorm will
Locations
remain
impacted
over mainly
include
rural areas of
Millen,
southeastern
Zoe,
Angelina,
Hemphill,
southeastern
Highland,
San Augustine, and
Rosevine,
southwestern
Florian,
Sabine
Fisher,
counties,
Sexton,
including the
Bronson,
following locations:
McElroy,
Dillon.
Greed, Yellow Pine,
Take cover
Toledo
now.
Bend Reservoir North,
Move to a
Columbus,
basement
and
or an
Chenectady.
interior room on the lowest
Remain
floor of a
alert for
sturdy
a possible
building.
tornado.
Avoid windows.
Tornadoes can develop quickly
If
from
you are
severe
outdoors
thunderstorms.
in a mobile home,
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m.
the
Central
National
Standard
Weather
Time
Service
for the
in
following
Shreveport has
counties
issued a
in
severe
Texas,
thunderstorm
Sabine,
warning for
San Augustine,
central
and
Sabine
Shelby,
Parish in
and
northwestern
Sabine,
Louisiana, southeastern Shelby County in eastern Texas, southeastern San Augustine County in eastern Texas,
The
Sabine County
National
in
Weather
eastern
Service in
Texas,
Shreveport
until
has issued a
4:30
severe
p.m. Central
thunderstorm
Standard
warning
Time.
for Central Sabine
At
Parish in
3:43
northwestern
p.m. Central
Louisiana,
Standard Time,
southeastern
a severe
Shelby County in
thunderstorm was
eastern
located
Texas,
10 miles west
southeastern
of
San
Pilot,
Augustine
or
County
13
in
miles
eastern
north
Texas,
of Ebenezer,
Sabine County
moving
in
northeast
eastern
at
Texas,
60 miles
until
per hour.
4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time.
60 miles per
At
hour with gusts
3:43
and
p.m.
penny-sized
Central
hail.
Standard Time, a
Source,
severe thunderstorm
radar
was
indicated.
located 10 miles west of
Impact,
Highland, or
expect
13
damage
miles
to
north
roofs,
of Ebenezer,
siding, and
moving
trees.
northeast at 60 miles per
Locations
hour.
impacted include
Hazard,
Millen,
60 miles per
Zoe,
hour in
Hemphill,
gusts and penny-sized
Highland,
hail.
Rosevine, Florian,
Source,
Fisher,
radar
Sexton,
indicated.
Bronson, McElroy,
Impact,
the Greed,
expect
Yellow
damage
Pine,
to roofs,
Toledo Bend
siding,
Reservoir
and
North,
trees.
Columbus, and
Locations
Chenectady.
impacted include
Remain
Millen,
alert for a possible tornado.
Hemphill,
Tornadoes can develop
Rosevine,
quickly from
Florian,
severe thunderstorms.
Fisher, Sexton,
If
Bronson,
you spot a
McElroy,
tornado,
the
go
Greed,
at once into
Yellow
the
Pine,
basement or small
Toledo Bend
central room
Reservoir
in a
North,
sturdy
Columbus,
structure.
and Chenectady.
For your protection, move
Remain
to an
alert
interior
for a
room on
possible
the
tornado.
lowest floor of a building.
Tornadoes can develop
Repeating,
quickly from
a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued
If you
until
spot a
4:30
tornado,
p.m.
go at
Central
once
Standard
into the
Time for the
basement or
following
small
counties
central room
in
in a
Texas,
sturdy structure.
Sabine, San Augustine,
For your
and
protection,
Shelby,
move to
and
an
Sabine,
interior room on the
Louisiana.
lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m.
The
Central
National
Standard
Weather
Time
Service